Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel, Lozen Graphics and Multimedia. In this video, you are going to learn the simple trick to reduce PSD file size without any stress. So let's begin. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe. So this PSD file right here, as you can see. So by the time I right click on this PSD file, I'm going to show you the original PSD file size. Okay. So head over to property. So you can see the property details, and you're going to see the file size here is 137 megabytes. Okay, so let's take a look at see how we can reduce this file size to the BRS minimum. So I'm going to open it in my Photoshop workspace. Then the simple trick is that you just need to make sure you group all your files. So I'm going to select from the top layer right here. So I'm going to select. Then I'll come here, I will click on this icon, it means group. Then I'll call this all design elements. I press enter. Then I have to unlock this particular shape group, this particular background layer, and I'll click on OK. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I hide this particular layer. When I hide this layer, I'm going to ensure that hide this one also. We have it in a transparent background this way. Then I have to go to file, and I'll click on save. Then we're going to name this one file reduce. Okay, I'm going to click on OK, and OK. So once it saves, let's take a look at it from the folder. Now we have it. This is the file reduced, and this is the original file size. So our original file size is 137. Down below right here, you can see the file size, and the reduced file size is giving us 94.9 megabytes. So you can see how a simple trick, the best way you can use to reduce your PSD file size. If you find value for this video, give this video a big thumb up. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.